today we spent $10 on a Magic the Gathering Super Booster 15 rare card pack from the Cosmic Gaming Collections. We're going to try to make our money back. Let's just jump right into it. Congratulations, you have added 15 more awesome cards to your already magnificent collection. Alright. Whoa, hello. Here's the first one. 1,000 Winds. This card goes for about $2 on eBay. This next one is Katsumasa the Animator. Goes for about $3 on eBay. The next one, called Feed the Pack. It just looks terrifying. Goes for just about $1 on eBay. This next one is called Briar Bridge Tracker. Goes for about $1.50 on eBay. This next one is called Providence. Goes for about $2 on eBay. This next one is called Squad Commander. Goes for about $1 on eBay, and I'm going to keep this one. This next one is called Falconwrath Forebear. It's a pretty cool vampire, so I think I'm going to keep this one. Goes for about $2 on eBay, but I think I'll keep it. This next one is called Muko Tai Soul Ripper. Goes for about $1 on eBay. The next one is called Creepy Puppeteer. Goes for about $2 on eBay. Next one is called Light Up the Night. Goes for about $2.50 on eBay. This next one is called Dream Pillager. Goes for about $2 on eBay. I think I'm going to keep it. This next one is called Prophetic Bolt. Goes for about $10 on eBay. I'm going to keep it. This next one is called Invoke the Firemind. Goes for about $2 on eBay. This next one is called Waking the Trolls. Goes for about $1 on eBay. This last one is called Hamletback Goliath. It only goes for about $1.50 on eBay. And I'm going to keep this one.